Hi guys, I'll be showing you how to relax hair or long hair at home with a TCB relaxer. Today I will be retouching my daughter Darby her hair. She has a long hair more than her sister. The last time I retouched her younger sister, you see, today I'm retouching Darby. So guys, just come along. Let me show you how you can retouch longer hair at home with TCB relaxer, and you're gonna like it. Guys, today when I was making this video, I made it in a very noisy place, so I removed the voice. I'm giving a voiceover. Just watch to the end. Let me know what you think about this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the videos. Whoever you know this video might help, kindly share it to them. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and support our channel. Don't forget to also to join our channel membership. Join where they say join. Click there, you will see a lot of things you're gonna maybe support our channel with. So you can see I finished parting the hair into four equal parts, as I do always. So, and I already applied the Vaseline. So we'll go ahead now to apply the relaxer. Okay, remember, before you relax your hair or your daughter's hair, make sure your hair is dirty, please. Some people come to comment section and tell me, if I relax my hair like this, I will have pain, it will burn me, it will do this, it will do that. No, you have to know the time to retouch your hair. You can't retouch your hair when your scalp is still neat. If you do that, you're gonna have problem with your hair burning or scratching without relaxing. When the last time I showed you where I retouched my daughter, my younger daughter, her hair, I showed you that I unraveled their hair. If you want to make a relaxer on your hair, please first of all allow your hair to get dirty. Okay, how do you do that? Make a extension hair, or you can also do a cornrow. Allow it to stay like a, a month, maximum 1 month, or 3 weeks, without washing it, without you scratching it, without you combing it. Okay, just allow it to stay like that. When you do that, then you will see that the hair have already is no more clean to say. Okay, it's not, it's dirty, the scalp is dirty. When you retouch it, it's gonna be fine. You're gonna retouch it very nice. It's not going to scratch, it's not going to pain you until you retouch very nice, unless you have another stubborn hair or altogether. But this is how I do. Yeah, so this is the routine I use, and I achieve the perfect relaxing hair. Okay, so thank you so much for joining, for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys for coming to watch my video. God bless you all. Yeah, remember to, whenever you watch my video, drop a comment, also give me a like, give me a share my videos to other people to see us. Okay, and I see people who come to my comment section and tell me, you don't need to make a retouch the top of the hair, the tip of the hair, don't retouch it. Guys, I don't retouch it when I'm trying to retouch. Okay, when I first of all retouch the main undergrowth, when I finish retouching it, then the top of the hair, said to say, is the last one, because if you finish applying relaxer without touching that side, it might not look neat. That place will be different, so you have to apply it at the end. Now that one, it's gonna stay like a little bit, maybe 2-3 minutes, then you have to wash it out. It's not going to retouch too
Hi.
much. Okay,
So we are going to come back in some minutes now and wash it out. She's not feeling pain at all. Whenever she said she's feeling pain, I will go and wash it for her. I don't hold her, but to wash it for her. And I'm gonna show you, carry you guys along. Keep watching, guys. So guys, it's time to wash out the hair. I'm washing her big sister her hair. Okay, you can see her hair is so long and she's not even having any trend at all. I'm using also the conditioner and shampoo as I use for her sister. This is what I use for them. Sometimes I do change it, but for now that is what I use. Then I will also use it to wash the hair very well, because she has a longer hair. We need to wash it very properly. Her hair is longer, so we need a lot of much conditioner. Much conditioner. So can even go out to comb it a little bit. So we allow the conditioner to stay for 10 to 15, 30 minutes, whatever, before we can wash it out. Yeah, never so. So we get started to unravel. We're going to be using also our hair cream and our Fasol hair dryer. I'm going to use them together. So we get started by drying her hair. I didn't take you guys along when I was washing because it would be too long, guys, you know, and I decided not to take you along. We're going to start to dry. Wow, see? Our Fasol. So let us know if you like or love Fasol, or do you like fake hair dryer. Let me know what you can think. I use a fake hair dryer to dry my daughter, the first one, her hair. So I use Fasol to dry my daughter also, the senior one. Now, I love the both, but let me know the one you love more. Oh, you can hold it. Oh, I'm using oil now too. Yeah, that's the price to pay when retouching or washing the long hair. It's not easy because you're gonna comb it small like this. I'm doing it. You're going to be parting them small and comb it so that it's gonna be smooth. Okay, yeah, it takes time to wash
or to make a long hair relaxer. Short one is easy. It's so easy. Don't say it's iron fact. It's iron fact to retouch short hair, but long hair you have to pay the price. Price of washing it very well from top to the scalp, by washing, by combing, everything to do in a long hair. It is a big job. The day I did this thing, I retouched the both her sister and the hair at the same day. It was a big job. Plus other work, home housework is not easy. Yeah, to be a mother is not easy, guys. And I love that they understand the kind of thing I'm doing on their hair. They appreciate it. It's not easy. God bless you, all the mama in the world. God bless you all for taking care of your daughters and your
So guys, you can see her hair is well retouched, and because I unraveled the hair yesterday, I did not even comb it. You can see, normally when you unravel hair with the extension, it goes out. When after washing it, it used to go out like this. So that's why you see this hair coming out. So that is normal. So you can see her hair retouched very well after combing it very nice now. And I will apply enough oil on the scalp, and that will be the end of our video. Hope you loved what you see. Are you going to try retouching? Maybe if you have someone you want to retouch, or now have you learned how to retouch here? Yes. So even if you don't have anyone to retouch, or you don't want to retouch, I think you have known how I did it. And you see her hair did not burn. She did not have any pain on her hair. I don't want to dry the hair too much, because if it's too much dried, it will be hard to comb. Okay, and she like it when the hair is not too dried. Okay, so this is the final look of her hair, guys. Yeah, this is the final look of her hair. Thank you so much for watching. Let me apply a little bit of hair oil. So this is after retouching of the hair. I'm trying to pack her hair into 2 equal parts so that she can carry it for a week before I can wash it again. And I don't really like after retouching hair I do another hair. I will allow it for 1 good week. You can wear it keeping them together, or just parting it into 2 equal parts like this and oil it. So after a week, I will now wash it again before I can style any hair or make any other hair she wants. So this is me trying to hold her hair together. What do you see? Do you like it? I've already done this, just 2 equal parts. She can take it to school like this, or I can as well do it any way she like. But for now, let's just allow this hair to be like this so that the air can enter the hair. So this is the outcome of the hair. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Yeah.